In the realm of modern kitchen appliances, this Duxtop portable induction cooktop burner stands out as a beacon of efficiency, precision, and versatility. This 1,800-watt powerhouse isn't just another cooktop. It's a transformative addition to any kitchen, offering advanced technology and user-friendly features that promise to elevate your culinary experiences. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a cooking novice, this review will dive deep into what makes the Duxtop Induction Cooktop an essential kitchen gadget. Upon unboxing the Duxtop Portable Induction Cooktop, the first thing you'll notice is its sleek, modern design. The silver finish and smooth surface give it a sophisticated look that blends seamlessly with any kitchen decor. But this cooktop is more than just a pretty face. It's designed with practicality in mind, featuring a lightweight and compact build that makes it perfect for small kitchens, dorm rooms, RVs, and boats. Its portability ensures that you can take it anywhere, providing a reliable cooking solution no matter where you are. One of the standout features of the Duxtop Induction Cooktop is its intuitive sensor touch control panel and LCD. This digital interface not only makes it easy to operate, but also adds a high-tech touch to your cooking routine. The control panel is responsive and straightforward, allowing you to effortlessly adjust settings with a simple touch. The LCD provides clear and concise information about the power level, temperature setting, and timer, ensuring that you have complete control over your cooking. The built-in countdown timer is programmable for up to 10 hours, which is perfect for slow cooking recipes that require precise timing. Cooking with precision is a breeze with the Duxtop Induction Cooktop, thanks to its 20 preset power levels ranging from 100W to 18800W and 20 temperature settings from 100F to 460F. This extensive range allows you to handle a variety of cooking tasks with ease, from gently simmering sauces to searing steaks at high heat. The cooktop's rapid heating capabilities ensure that you can bring water to a boil quickly, making it incredibly efficient and time-saving. In today's world, energy efficiency is more important than ever, and the Duxtop Induction Cooktop excels in this regard, with an impressive 83% energy efficiency rating. This induction burner is far more efficient than traditional gas or electric stoves. This not only reduces your energy bills, but also minimizes your carbon footprint, making it a smart choice for environmentally conscious cooks. Safety is a top priority with the Duxtop Induction Cooktop. It comes equipped with several safety features that ensure a worry-free cooking experience. The auto pan detection system shuts off the unit automatically after 60 seconds if no cookware or incompatible cookware is detected. This prevents accidental burns and energy waste. Additionally, the overheat protection feature, along with a diagnostic error message system and low-high voltage warning system, provides an extra layer of security. The child safety lock is another thoughtful addition, keeping the cooking and timer settings from being accidentally changed once they have been set. This is particularly useful in households with young children, ensuring that the cooktop remains safe even when you're not around. For those new to induction cooking, it's essential to note that the Duxtop Induction Cooktop requires magnetic cookware. This means that pots and pans must have a magnetic bottom to be compatible. The auto pan detection system ensures that the cooktop operates only with the correct cookware, adding to its safety and efficiency. The cooktop is compatible with induction cookware having a diameter of at least 5 inches, which ensures a large and uniform heated area. This compatibility makes it a versatile addition to any kitchen, capable of handling a wide range of cookware styles and sizes. Cleaning up after cooking is often the least enjoyable part of the culinary process, but the Duxtop Induction Cooktop makes it surprisingly hassle-free. The smooth surface and non-electrical parts can be easily wiped down with a damp sponge or disinfectant kitchen wipe. The stainless steel base is resistant to high temperatures and fire, ensuring that it remains in pristine condition even after years of use. When investing in a kitchen appliance, it's reassuring to know that it comes with a solid warranty and reliable customer support. The Duxtop Induction Cooktop offers a 2-year manufacturer's warranty, providing peace of mind and confidence in your purchase. Additionally, Duxtop's US-based customer service is readily available to assist with any issues or questions, ensuring that you receive the support you need. Conclusion: a must-have for modern kitchens. The Duxtop Portable Induction Cooktop Burner is a game-changer for anyone looking to upgrade their cooking experience. Its combination of advanced features, energy efficiency, and user-friendly design makes it an invaluable addition to any kitchen. Whether you're a busy professional needing a quick and efficient cooking solution, a student with limited space, or a home cook looking to experiment with precise temperature control, this induction cooktop has you covered. With its sleek design, powerful performance, and safety features, the Duxtop Induction Cooktop is more than just a kitchen gadget. It's a reliable partner in your culinary journey. Don't miss out on the opportunity to transform your cooking experience. If you found this review helpful and want to see the full product specifications, click the link in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more product reviews and cooking tips.